Tell us about yourself, your occupation, and your home life.
Well, I'm a chemical engineer and I've worked in industry, but I am also a teacher and I've taught at the University of St. Thomas and as an adjunct at the University of Minnesota. And I've taught high school science for 9 years. I'm married. I've got 3 kids that are all in their 20s, and we lived in Shoreview for about 20 years. I was born in Duluth and grew up in Columbia Heights.
Why did you run for state representative?
Well, when the redistricting happened, we were left with a district with an open seat. And I'd been somewhat involved in politics in the past, and I really thought it was an opportunity to contribute because, for one thing, being an engineer, there's not very many engineers in the House. And I'm interested in a lot of the issues that are going to be coming up. And I thought I had an opportunity to serve. I was looking for something like that to do.
What do you think your greatest qualification for being a lawmaker is?
Well, we have a number of technical issues that come up, issues about energy and the environment. I don't have a medical background, but even being able to understand some of the technical terms is helpful for that. Also, engineers are good problem solvers. So there are an awful lot of complex issues where you have to weigh a number of different competing factors, and that's something engineers are good at.
What are your top priorities for this legislative session?
Well, we need to make some investments in education. Of course, taxes are on everybody's mind, taking a look at that. I would like to get involved with energy policies so we can make sure we're going to be energy independent for the future. We have a number of environmental issues in our district because primarily because of the TCAP property that's in the middle of the district. And everybody wants to make sure that we take care of healthcare and don't let people slip through the cracks in how we take care of them.
When the end of the session arrives and you return back home to your district, how do you want people in your district to determine if you have been a successful legislator?
If I've listened to people and really stuck up for what's good for the people of Minnesota.
If you could describe yourself in 3 words, what 3 words would you choose and why?
Thoughtful. I like to look at many sides of an issue before I make up my mind and not try to think I have the answers before I figure out what some of the questions are. Resourceful. I'm good at finding a different way to solve a problem. And compassionate.